Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Shopify dropshipping. First, understand that dropshipping allows you to sell products online without needing to manage any physical inventory yourself. Shopify then provides a powerful and user-friendly platform to build your e-commerce store. You'll connect with suppliers who handle storage and shipping directly to your customers, simplifying the entire process for you. It's a fantastic way to start an online business with minimal upfront investment. Next, finding the right products and reliable suppliers is crucial for your success. Start by researching trending products that have high demand and offer good profit margins. Platforms like AliExpress or Sale are popular choices for finding dropshipping suppliers. Always prioritize suppliers known for product quality and efficient shipping times, as this directly impacts your customer satisfaction and business reputation. Now, let's get your Shopify store up and running. Begin by creating your Shopify account and selecting an attractive, mobile-responsive theme that fits your brand. You can then easily import products from your chosen supplier directly into your store. Don't forget to set up secure payment gateways and customize your store's branding, including your logo and color scheme, to create a professional and trustworthy online presence. Finally, marketing and scaling are key to long-term success. Implement effective marketing strategies like social media campaigns and search engine optimization to drive targeted traffic to your Shopify store. Providing excellent customer service is vital for building loyalty and encouraging positive reviews, which can significantly boost your sales. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help you out. Continuously analyze your sales data to identify best-selling products and optimize your marketing efforts for maximum growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.